Tonight we have a highly commended for this category. I'm going to ask Bailey to announce who that is.
Highly commended for Category 3, projects with a value between 5 million and 20 million, is Brian Perry Civil for the Porirua Wastewater Treatment Plant.
So Brian Perry Civil was initially engaged to review an option for upgrading the treatment plant at Wellington Water's wastewater treatment plant at Porirua. But through an early contractor involvement process, an alternative design removing the requirement for expensive temporary works was devised, also removing the risk of discharge into the ocean and saving the client around $1 million on the spot, can you imagine? The final design and construction incorporated the best parts of other viable options and added a containerized screening process, a new full bypass system capable of screening all raw sewage prior to entering the plant, a new containerized screening system to manage all flows into the plant, and a safer working methodology. It also removed the possibility of the plant discharging untreated sewage into the ocean. So the project was completed with no disruption to the Wellington Water plant operating contractor Veolia. A great outcome, a happy client, and a project worthy of commendation. Well done.
Thank you, Miriama. As was mentioned, the early contractor involvement was a big part of this contract's success, and Brian Perry's would be remiss to not mention our friends at Stantec and Wellington Water for a really true collaborative approach, and even Veolia, the plant operators. So it was a really, really good team effort, and it was certainly a unique project for us. I want to give special mention to my ground crew that worked with us on this project, for our supervisor Eric Foster and Willie Paiawa, who got promoted to foreman on this job. Certainly unique working at a wastewater treatment plant, not something any of us had done before. And there was a couple of times where we went into an effluent chamber, came out, Eric's in his full overalls, and I'm sort of covered in H2S contaminated concrete silica dust. And he goes, "Man, you look like shit." We used to build bridges, man. I don't know what we're doing here. So pleasure to be recognised here tonight. So thanks very much, and thank you everyone putting us on. Appreciate it.